If you don't want to end up like everyone else, broke, stressed, and stuck in a never-ending cycle, you need to focus on one thing: making your first £10,000. When I was 18, I had no money, no qualifications, and no idea what I was doing. But I did have ambition. Instead of worrying about millions, I set myself a smaller, more achievable target: 10,000. And let me tell you, that first 10K was the hardest to make, but once I hit it, everything changed. Looking to earn money online? This might be just what you need. Be sure to watch the full video. Miss a section and you could miss your shot at success. Why £10,000 matters? It wasn't just about the money, it was proof. Proof that making money is a skill, not luck. Once I'd figured out how to do it once, I knew I could do it again and scale it into something much bigger. So if I had to start over from zero today, here's exactly how I'd make that first £10,000, step by step. What most people get wrong? Most people overcomplicate this. They dive into crypto because a mate made a quick profit. They try day trading because some guru told them it's easy money. But here's the truth. Those aren't side hustles, they're gambling. And they require huge cash reserves to even stand a chance. When you're starting from nothing, you need something simple. Something that requires little upfront money, brings in consistent cash, and can grow with you. 4 real options to make your first £10,000. After years of trial and error, I realized there are really only 4 options. 1. In-person services. Personal training, delivery driving, dog walking, barbering, videography, you name it. It sounds basic, but it's one of the fastest ways to get paid. You don't need a website or a logo. You just need to get out there, find customers, deliver, and collect. Example: as a teenager, I washed cars in wealthy neighborhoods. I targeted houses with perfect gardens but dirty cars, because if someone cared about appearances, they'd pay to keep the car shining too. Yes, this model is limited to your area and your hours, but it's instant money. 2. Local products. Baked goods, handmade items, art, fresh produce, things you can sell locally. It's slower than services because products take time to make and customers take longer to buy. But the costs nearly wiped out the profits. Lesson? Great if you're passionate, but harder to scale. 3. Global products. Clothing brands, drop shipping, reselling trainers, print on demand. Here, your customer base isn't just your town, it's the entire world. That makes the earning potential far bigger. If you've got patience, global products can change the game. 4. Online services, my top pick. This is the sweet spot. Video editing, copywriting, running ads, designing thumbnails, managing social media. Here you get the global reach of products, but with the high margins of services. No stock, no shipping, no waiting, just skill for hire. Margins can be 70 to 80%, and you can start earning from day one. That's why if I had to start over today, this is where I'd begin. Piece, the skill pyramid. 4 elements to £10,000. But picking the service isn't enough. You need the right structure. I call this the skill pyramid. 4 elements that turn a service into a high-income machine. Positioning. Don't just be a video editor. Be the editor who helps businesses sell more. Businesses will pay big for ROI. Leverage. Stop charging for hours, start charging for results. If you run ads, bill based on sales generated, not time spent. Reach. Don't always chase clients, put your work online, let people come to you. Post examples, show results, share your process. Automation. Reliability beats talent. Use systems, tools, and CRMs to stay organized. Businesses pay more for people who deliver on time, every time. Master these 4 and £10,000 stops being a dream, it becomes a starting point. Final word. Your first £10,000 isn't about the money, it's about proof. Proof that you can create value, get paid for it, and repeat the process. Once you've done it once, you'll never see money the same way again, because you'll know it's not luck, it's a skill. So focus less on millions and more on that first £10,000. That's your foundation. Build it right, invest it smart, and it could be the start of something life-changing.
If this message feels close to your heart, that's not a mistake. It's your inner voice telling you it's time for a change. Maybe you're tired of working hard and still feeling stuck. Tired of money coming in and going out with nothing left behind. The good news is you don't have to stay in that cycle. You don't need special skills. You don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or check the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?